And I gotta tell you a secret. I gotta tell you a secret, man.
What?
Elephant feet. Why are you scared about elephant feet? Easton, tell me. Okay. He's crying about elephant feet. Easton, what's wrong? Why are you scared about elephant? Easton, can I tell you something else? It'll make you feel better.
No, it won't.
Elephant butthole. Easton, you want to know something? I pooped in Mommy's pants.
That doesn't make me feel bad.
Well, you know what? You know what? I got FGTV to come on at the door.
You're lying.
No, I'm not. They're coming in 20 minutes.
You're lying.
No, I'm not. It's a Halloween surprise.
No, it's not.
Okay, I'll tell them to go back. Okay.
You don't want me.
I didn't say that. I'm just playing about the elephant feet. I was just joking. Are we cool? Hey, Easton.
What?
Stop. Hey, Easton, I need to tell you something. Hi. Easton, I need to tell you something.
What?
Hi.